commanders, siyabonga support from our community and communities. It shows that in countries are so called and whatever they stand up as an in this man, you can into a yakho nje ngaphandle kwenkinga. Usathi to thing is something who short side. So this is the challenges. Vele besizohlangabezana. You must behave because sana abakhomrades asabhekile ukhombeni afana nathi sonke njengoba sini. Despite whatever that's happening, it shows that asizanga emkhondweni because siyahamba nomoya. Ayijulu shikala. Here that brings us all here. We want to free umuntu omnyama from whatever that has happened in the past. We don't want to see abantwana bethu bahluphe. This is why we are still here. Siyabonga wonke ama-speakers abenathi ngibonga i-positiveness of this. This azange intended into something which is because comrade, the main speaker didn't come, then I'm coming that no, let's cancel. No. This is about the revolution. It's not about the person or the man. If you come return it's fine. Leadership ekhona say respect and siyabonga. Siyabonga lo comrades gaza noma sekaphumile. Siyabonga kakhulu. I did think about it, but ngicabanga ukuthi what if isikhathi sesishort selama hours yebo, because I know which politically but that thing which you cannot keep umuntu eyintweni zakhe. But ngiyabonga ukuthi uyitholile and he came also. Kithi sonke sizile comrades. Angifuni ukubeka ngingene nje into engicela unity amongst ourselves. Let's try to build each other. Let's come up with programs. People need us down there on the floor. We are ground forces as we are here. Let's make an impact to community yethu lasebenza khona. Forget about ubani uyini ubani utheni wathini. Thina into esifuna change for you to recognize, know your neighbor number one. If you don't know your people, let's try to say, then you have a problem. You are not in a good place. You are here by default. First, we are not saying you will provide. Reach out. The right institution, there are comrades out there who are willing to assist comrades. As Bamba especially in region, we are divided and we have capabilities in everything. Number one, Gauteng yoke. Siloko sinenkinga zokuphatha ekubeni yempumelelo. Yithi sifena ama-vote amaningi. Specifically ukuthi mangibani phosphorus. That is why even by electoral, because really it shows that ama-ground forces ayasebenza wasefuza. Ukuthi kunani bathi siyaphambili. Ngibonge kakhulu commander sasibamba nendlela.